Hey guys, it's your girl Nikki Boo here. I know I've been gone for a long time, but you know, the girl has been in a bag, been stressed and whatnot, but you know, we're back with another banger. If you're new here, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe. Today we're going for like a go for a glam, nothing too much, you know, nothing over the top. So if you wanna see me, you know, how I got to this, then keep on watching. Go in with this. One milk over the color, come here, touch right. There it is. Oh, a bit of witch hazel as my moisturizer. Oh, Jesus. Okay, and then we're gonna go in with the pencil in the color dark brown. I use dark brown, and I mean because you don't know, gotta for your eyebrows. I don't want to be using. Yeah, so now I'm starting off with my dark brown pencil from Primark. I just start off with like a single line, and then I do a little stroke up, and then I do a little thingy with a brush. And I'll give it a little shape and texture to make it look a bit natural, because a girl don't have any eyebrows. I don't know where they have been. I don't know where they went. My parents were very mean people. They didn't give me any. So that's what I have to work with. And now I'm going in with my concealer from Elf Cosmetic in the shade Rich Cocoa, I believe. And I just do that. I know it looks a bit crazy right now, but trust me, when I'm done, concealer wear. Not even a magnifying glass can find it. Come for me, girl, come for me. But what I normally do, like, to make my eyebrows match, because they're never match. They're always like cousins. They're never twins. So I do like I squeeze my eyebrows together to get them in the perfect angle, if you know what I mean. So yeah, and now I'm just blending it out with like a, I don't know what kind of brush is that. I forgot the name of it. But it's kind of like a concealer brush. Yeah, that's what it is. I do that and blend it out. Try not to look too crazy, you know. So now I'm just blending, you know, laughing my head off, blending. Blending key, right? So you gotta make sure, now is the time you make sure you get all the angles, you know, everything's right and whatnot. Don't be like me, who have one thick and one thin. We don't want that, but I gotta know what she's doing. So I turned out fine in the end, but don't be like me. And I know it looks like the concealer is not my shade, but trust me, I think it's the light, because it's so bright, it makes it look way over the top. But I could put the concealer on its own, you know, not really on its own, but I could put it on and I look alright. Just, you know, yeah. Now I'm going in with the foundation from Elf as well. Oh wait a minute, from Elf in the shade Mocha, whatever it is. Kind of blending my skin perfectly. It's like my skin in a bottle. Oh. Yeah, I'm just here laughing off at my cousins again. And I'm using the foundation brush. I think it's from Elf as well. I'm not quite sure. But it kind of blends properly. I normally use a sponge, but today I felt a bit fancy. And I use Revolution baking powder for your face, not for cooking. and I use a Sun Kiss bronzing powder for like the what do you call that? Whatever I'm doing, that's what I use it for. And I use the banana powder on my that middle bit. I can't remember the name now. Don't laugh at me. I'm still posting this. I'm not gonna edit it. I don't care what I say now. That's what I'm gonna say. Now I'm using a different concealer in the shade Rich Deep Cinnamon, I believe, from Elf as well. I'm using that on my nose. I normally use it on my nose and my eyes, so it makes the eyeshadow pop a bit. But I forgot to use it today because, as you know, ago I was chatting. And now I'm going in with my Revolution. I don't want you to think I'm in love with Revolution, because I mean they're alright, but for some reason the eyeshadow does not, you know, go up on my skin. But you know, I like the palette because it had a gold thing on it, so I bought it. Don't be like me again. But yeah, and now I'm using the Revolution Rocky Collaboration palette. And I think I'm going with a dark brown. I did not get the color name because it's not on there, I think. So I was using different palette with different colors, trying to get like a perfect dark. At one point, it got too dark, and I was like, oh, it looked like I got beaten up. But after I went with it, I blended it out perfectly, I think. It didn't turn too bad. You know what, one thing, when I put the eyelashes on, it just changes everything. I don't know where the eyelashes are from. I stole them from my mom, don't tell her. So yeah, yeah, eyelashes make everything perfect. Because you could have like the worst makeup ever, and you ever got, you know, put on an eyelash and cute, you know. So yeah. So now I'm just going in with an eyeliner from I forgot what it's called. I believe it's from Rimmel, whatever you call it. That's the name. I'll probably leave it in the description if I can find it. But I was using two different eyeliners from there. I think one was Wonder Wing, and the other one was Scandalized. They're not bad. And now I'm going in with the Primark eyeliner again to do my lips in the dark brown one. I didn't have any lip gloss, lipstick, because I don't wear them very often. I have beautiful, perfect pink lips. I don't normally like do anything to it. But for today, I used some of eyeshadows from the Revolution palette to make it a bit more, you know, pinky. And then I put too much lip gloss on, so I had to bop it off. But yeah, it turned out fine in the end. Now I'm making dots, like a perfect beauty spot, you know. And I'm not picking my nose. I was trying to fix my nose ring. So don't come at me in the comments. But yeah. Oh, I look so cute. Don't look at my fingers. I know I don't have any fingernails. Whatever. But yeah, look at me now. Talk to me. Yeah, I came out looking like a Instagram baddie. And it's not the filters, FYI. Because the first video at the beginning of this video, I did not have any filter on. So come at me. Tell me about this. Tell me. Okay, if you like this look, let me stop attacking you people. If you like this look, please, you know, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And leave a comment. I'll be reading it. And let me know what you think about it, if you tried it. Not much, but you know. And follow my Snapchat. I'll be posting on there now. That's the unfiltered picture. I don't look a bit fat, but whatever. A girl gotta eat. And I look a bit grown, innit? Almost 24, yeah. But bye guys. I'll see you in the next video. Peace out. And that's a wrap. Bye.